Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create AI avatars using the DID step by step. Let's get started. First, open the DID on your browser and sign in. Next, go to the Create Video or Studio section. Then here you can choose an AI avatar from the available options or upload your own image. Then you can enter your script in the text box. The DID will convert your text into a talking avatar video with your realistic facial movements. You can customize the voice and language, the background, the animation style, and even the AI avatar. You can preview the video to make sure that everything looks good, and once satisfied, click generate or download to save your video. And that's it. That's how you create AI avatars using DID. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.